Hey everyone, hey, it's Nick, aka Dad, from Monkey Business Off-Road, and we're only 12 days from Christmas. And if you haven't got anything for that special someone yet that owns a Bronco, there's a company you should probably be looking at, and that company is actually Stickerfab. Now, we've talked about Stickerfab in the past and some of the great products that they keep in stock, but right now they have some amazing deals going on. I was just on the website yesterday and then again this morning, and saw that they have some of the products that we have in our Bronco on sale right now, and some of the things we don't have but are similar, like they've got some Archaic R headlights on sale right now, which I think are about $200 off, plus some other things that we've got in our Bronco. Let me show you some of the things we've got, but maybe you want to consider for your Bronco for that someone for Christmas, or just a treat to yourself. Let's check it out. Yeah, one of the things that they have that we've actually got on our Bronco are these front door bins. These are really nice because you can actually fit bottles of water in here. We do have our netting still up, but these are a great option just because they're really easy to put in because you use the factory fasteners still, but gives you extra storage in here just for really about anything. And they also have these for the rear doors as well, just to kind of complement one another and give the people in the back a little bit more storage. So that is one thing that they have on sale, which I think is a really sweet deal. Some of the stuff that they have right now is almost 50% off. Yeah, the front door bins are really handy. I mean, they hold up to, you know, a couple of bottles of water. You've still got a little extra storage, and like I was showing you, we kept the netting on ours, but the factory fasteners are still used. You just kind of unbolt the factory netting, put that on. You can leave the netting on, take it off. I kind of left it on just because I thought it really would help out with like just pieces of paper you stick in there. You grab the mail, you just stick it in there, just kind of keeps it separate. But then they've also got rear door ones. Now those ones, you do have to do some drilling, and it becomes kind of a permanent mod just because of having to drill screws into the factory plastic back there on the door. But I think it's a great idea for storage. And like I said, they've got a lot of sales going on, and this is one of the things that are on sale right now that may be something you'd want to consider for your Bronco and save a few bucks. You can always use MNKYBIZ as a discount code too, so give it a shot. Here's some other things too we've gotten from Stickerfab that are really cool and maybe something you'd want to think about. Now this down here is actually a wireless charging pad. We didn't have one with our Bronco since we only got the high package, but we went to Stickerfab and bought one of these. Now right now, this is on sale as well, and I believe it was just around 150 bucks when we bought it. It's on sale right now for $50. Yeah, that wireless charging pad is a fantastic deal right now for 50 bucks. Now, there are some stipulations with it. You do need the automatic transmission because it does pull power from, there's a little connector on the gear selector underneath it that you'll need to connect into, which we actually have a video of us putting that in. I'll post that up top here. But then also, it's really nice. It's actually pretty simple to put in. You just got a lot of trim pieces you need to pull off. Not that big of a deal, but just one of those things though, that to be able to charge up your phone just by setting it down on that pad is really nice. And for 50 bucks right now, that is a steal of a deal. So definitely check out that at Stickerfab. And then some of the other things we've got here too. They've also got lots of overlays. This is one of the ones that we've got right now is for our front lights that we have in the grill. It is glow in the dark. You just got to charge them up by, you know, putting some light to them. But they've got all kinds of different kinds of overlays and stickers you can use for these auxiliary switches and for your Bronco. Yeah, like I said, right now Stickerfab has a ton of great things online for sale right now on their website at stickerfab.com. We are affiliates of theirs, so they didn't ask me to make this video. I was just online and thinking, you know what's Stickerfab got available, and saw the great deals they have going on right now. I mean, so many of their things are on sale, and use that code MNKYBIZ, MonkeyBiz, and use that as a discount code. But I just wanted to share this with everybody because they have some fantastic things available for Broncos right now, anywhere from 21 up through 23s, and soon to be 24s. But check them out at stickerfab.com. Yeah, so if you're looking for a Christmas present for yourself or you're looking for someone who owns a Bronco, yeah, check out Stickerfab. And they're also a veteran-owned business. So when you're supporting Stickerfab, you're supporting the veterans of our country, you know, who have sacrificed so much. So check out Stickerfab, find something for yourself or for that loved one or just a friend who's got a Bronco, probably in need of an accessory or two, or maybe three. Hey, we appreciate you watching. Thanks for your time. Check out Stickerfab. Do that right now. www.stickerfab.com. Check them out. Use the code MNKYBIZ. Get a discount on that. And we appreciate you watching. Have a blessed day. Bye.